Every single day, thousands of students wake up, go to class, come back tired, scroll through their phones, and go to sleep. And they repeat this cycle for 4 years thinking that success starts after graduation. But right now, in 2026, there are students your age, sitting in the same kind of hostel rooms with the same kind of tight schedules, who are already making money, already building businesses, and already creating a life most people only dream about after retirement. The difference between them and everyone else is not talent. It is not family money. It is one decision, and that decision takes less than 5 minutes to make. Keep watching, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly what that decision is. Welcome back to Business Shortcuts. This channel exists for one reason only: to give you the real strategies, the real shortcuts, and the real mindset that schools will never teach you. Today, we are going deep into something that is changing the game for young people all over the world. How to build an actual business while you are still studying, using AI tools that are available to you right now, for free or nearly free. No experience needed, no startup capital needed, just a laptop, Wi-Fi, and the willingness to start. Story. I want to tell you about a young man. Let us call him Zain. Zain was 21 years old, second year of university, studying business administration of all things. Ironic, right? He was studying business but had never built anything in his life. His family had no connections, no investor uncle, no rich background. Just a boy with a degree in progress and a head full of pressure. One night, after failing a quiz he had barely studied for, Zain sat in the dark in his room and asked himself a question that changed everything. He asked, "If I graduate tomorrow with this degree, what do I actually have to offer the world?" The answer scared him. Nothing unique. Nothing different from the thousands of other graduates competing for the same jobs. That night, instead of scrolling social media, he opened YouTube and started learning about AI tools. Not because he was passionate about technology, but because he was desperate for a way out. He started with one tool, just one. He learned how to use AI to write marketing content for small businesses. He reached out to 5 local clothing brands on Instagram with a simple message. He said, "I can write your captions, your product descriptions, and your email newsletters using the latest AI tools, faster and cheaper than any agency. Let me do your first week for free." 2 of them replied. He delivered. They were shocked at the quality and the speed. Both became paying clients within 2 weeks. Within 3 months, Zain had 5 clients paying him between $150 to $300 each per month. He was making more than most fresh graduates in his city while still attending lectures in the morning. Here is what Zain understood that most students never figure out. AI does not replace you. AI amplifies you. It takes your ideas and your effort and multiplies the output by 10. The tools and the strategy. Let me break down exactly what is possible for you right now in 2026. With ChatGPT or Claude, you can write entire business proposals, cold emails, social media content, product descriptions, and marketing strategies in minutes. What used to take a freelancer 5 hours now takes you 20 minutes. With Canva AI, you can design professional logos, posts, presentations, and brand materials without any design background. The tool does the heavy lifting. You just direct it. With CapCut AI or Descript, you can edit videos, add captions, remove silences, and produce clean content without spending hours learning editing software. With automation tools like Make or Zapier, you can set up systems that run your client communication, invoice reminders, and follow-up emails while you are sitting in a lecture. This is not theory. Students around the world are offering services like AI content writing, AI video editing, AI-powered social media management, and AI business consulting to small businesses who have no idea how to use these tools themselves. You become the bridge between the technology and the business owner who needs it. And the most powerful part? You do not need to be an expert. You just need to be 2 steps ahead of your client. That is it. The mindset shift. Here is the truth that nobody wants to say out loud. University teaches you how to be a good employee. It does not teach you how to build something of your own. That is not an insult to education. Education has value. But if you are only relying on a degree to secure your future, you are playing a game where the rules keep changing and the jobs keep shrinking. The students who are ahead right now are the ones who decided not to wait. They did not wait to graduate. They did not wait to feel ready. They did not wait for the perfect idea or the perfect moment. They started messy, learned fast, and built something real while everyone else was waiting. Zain from our story is now in his final year of university. He has a small agency, 2 part-time employees he manages remotely, and a monthly income that most of his professors would be envious of. He still attends class. He still takes his exams. But he no longer fears graduation because he no longer needs someone to give him a job. He has already built one. That can be you. Not 5 years from now. Not after graduation. Starting this week. So here is what I want you to do right now. Pick one AI tool. Just one. Learn it for 30 minutes today. Then think of one service you could offer to a small local business using that tool. Then reach out to 5 businesses this week. You do not need a website. You do not need a company. You do not need anything except the courage to send that first message. If this video opened your eyes to something new, show me some love right now. Hit that like button hard. Subscribe to this channel because every week I bring you content that is actually built to help you win. And drop a comment below and tell me, what is the first AI tool you are going to learn? I read every single comment, and I reply to as many as I can.